Nerds! Welcome to another 2-minute tool tip. I'm Tyler. In today's video, I want to talk about safety. And I don't mean PPE like safety goggles or hearing protection. I'm talking about safety for your house, your family, and your pets. Now, I don't want to scare you, but every year thousands of houses burn down because of lithium batteries. Now, most of us use lithium batteries in our power tools because they're an excellent battery. Sometimes, though, there could be from the manufacturer defects. You could be using a charger that doesn't have a lot of the safety features that some of the newer ones have. There's plenty of reasons why these can be dangerous. However, I've been implementing in my shop and in my house an outlet timer. Now, this specific timer I use in countdown mode most of the time, where I set a predetermined time frame in here, like 30 minutes, and press enter while this is plugged in, and it'll count down for that 30 minutes and then turn off once the time frame is reached. But you can also use this for things like a curling iron. If the lady of the house has one of those. We've experienced an issue where she left her curling iron on and burnt our countertop, which was pretty cool and potentially avoidable if we use something like this. Things like Christmas tree or even your Christmas lights. So I would use this normally for the countdown mode, but you can schedule things, turn on and turn off time for these to work. So this is a really cool little deal to have around the house. I'll include it in the description below, but let me show you how I set it up and my specific use. All right, so how I set this one up is you click switch and then countdown settings, and you can see right there it's at 30 minutes and you can change it, right? So if you wanted to set it to 40 minutes, you could, and then you just click enter. When you plug it in, a little red light will pop up here and it'll start counting down.
So I set up a little demonstration just so you know what to expect. Here it is at 1 minute, it's about to go off. I had it set for 3 minutes total. When it's done, it blinks, there we go, and the little light turns off. And then here it is from the charger point of view. So here I go putting my battery in, and you can see the red light blinking turns to green as it charges. Grab my beverage. And I fast forwarded it until the lights finally stop blinking, and I pull the battery out. So really, just a demonstration, just so you guys know what to expect, but there it is, it just went off, and I pull the battery out.
And that's it, a pretty cool little gadget to keep you guys safe. Totally worth it in my opinion. As a matter of fact, if this video saves one person's house or a shop or a garage, or hell, if it saves someone's bench, it's totally worth it to me. So cool thing to let everyone know about. If you guys are liking these 2-minute tool tips, let me know down below, give me some feedback, or give me some recommendations on maybe other things that you may know that a lot of people might not, that might be helpful for the community. Or if you have a story to share about a lithium battery blowing up on you or catching fire, share that as well. But again, I really want to get the word out about this stuff, make sure everyone's safe. But that's really it. I just wanted to share that information with you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, share if you know somebody who might be interested in this stuff, or maybe you can save a house even if it's a curling iron out there. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time.